Mr. Fence Tools. We are at the Fence Lab today, and we have some great new solutions in regards to the Insta-Gate kits. This is for the Woodgate kit specifically. We've been working on finding a better solution than the screws to screw the pickets to the rails. We're using a Senko auto feed screw gun. Most people don't have one of those available in their trucks, so they have to purchase that. We've also had a little bit of problem with the screws breaking. So if they over tighten them, they break them, tighten them down after they use the screw gun. UFO has a screw nail. These things are very, very strong. They work in the East Wing guns that we already provide or offer on our website for sale. They fit in a lot of different guns, okay? So if you use the screw nail in one of the East Wing guns, you can nail right through the picket and the rail, set your depth for the right depth, no problem, even shoots right down there, easy peasy, okay? Doesn't stick through the back. These are 1.25 inches, so you know I shot the bottom and nothing's sticking through the back, okay? So good solution there. Now, to make sure your nail gun works, some of these wire feed guns, this one is not gonna work. So if the plastic can't go through there, then it won't work for your gun. So you gotta check your gun and make sure that you have a cavity with a plastic strip to come through right here. Okay, as long as that plastic strip can go through, you can use it in your gun. So if your gun works with both wire feed and plastic correlated, you're in business. If it doesn't, we have the guns for you, okay? This stuff prevents you from having to buy a screw gun. Now, the other cool thing we got a solution for is putting these rivets in. Go hook that rivet gun up. It's quite a few rivets to make this system as strong as it is. So the rivet guns we were using, the DeWalt ones, were $600 a piece. A lot of guys didn't like the idea of buying a $600 gun for every crew, especially if you're just testing out these Insta-Gate kits. So here we got 1/4 inch hole. We have a 1/4 inch rivet like you send with the kit. All right. This gun is on Amazon for 119 bucks. I was a little worried about whether it would work. Let's see the shot. Woo! I'd say that works. $119 gun. We'll put all those rivets in. Your E-swing, we'll put in your UFO nails. We're gonna include those nails soon in the kits. We'll already come with the kits. All you gotta do is shoot them through your nail gun. So your investment is a $119 gun, and this is gonna be a very fast system. We're always improving. We're always finding ways to make your life easier. Mr. Fence Tools on the job. Have a good day.